Thank you for joining us. I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, joined by Anthony Marino.
Hello, everyone. Great to be here. So excited.
And we're going to do our fun.
This is our fun. This is our lightning round. We do what would Matt do, and I hit this button here, and I say, let's play Jeopardy. So we run through. I do a what would Matt do. So I give him scenarios, and he gives us a good, better, best on his take, because he's the seasoned veteran here. He knows the ins and outs. So we're gonna start with laundry. Give me your best laundry for, let's say, the average family of 3 or 4 or 5. You know what I mean? Give me something
budget, like if you're looking for a budget washer. Okay, so top load budget washer dryer. I would look at the Hot Point.
Yep.
Hot Point has a very nice top load washer, stainless steel tub. It's got the agitator inside, priced exceptionally well. Nice large capacity. It's going to handle just about anything a family of 3 or 4 is going to need.
Okay.
And the great part is it's under $500.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's a great piece. The dryer comes in electric or gas. The gas will be $100 more. So that may run. If you need gas, you'll be just under $600. But it is my choice for a top load, inexpensive laundry pair.
Yeah, that's an awesome one. Give me a higher end if you need the steam cycle, if you need some fancier settings for your delicates and things like that. Give me another one there.
So I would look at a front loader. So in that regards, if you need that steam feature, you need to protect your clothes with a delicate, to your point, maybe some extra rinse. I would look at the GE front loads.
Yeah.
GE has their front load set. It's got some great features. It can be used with an app on your phone or your personal, device. It's got antimicrobial boot seals.
The Microban, yes.
The Microban, yes. You don't have to worry about any type of mildew around the boot seal or in the detergent cup.
Fan on the door too. That's a win city. So
exactly. You don't have to leave your door open.
Give me say you're just a single guy or you're a newly married couple. You're just living in a flat or a condo or something like that. You need something, but you don't want the big, you don't want the family size version. What do we got in the compact?
So like a compact, if you're living in a loft or an apartment or a small compact space, I would look at the Bosch front load laundry sets. We've got a ton of these units in stock. We sell them to a lot of different management companies, rental companies, developers. We've got the 500 series Bosch laundry sets are ideal. They do make a 300 series, which is a little less expensive.
Yeah.
But the nice part about the 500 series, it's going to have a heat pump dryer versus a condensation dryer. And really what that means for you folks out there, it's going to dry better.
Yeah.
It's not going to dry quite as well as a vented dryer, but it's going to be really efficient, and it's going to dry extremely well.
Yeah, I mean that's a great piece. Even that wash tower is a good one too.
Yes.
The wash tower is nice. So let me ring the buzzer again. Oh, before I forget, we talked about this off camera. Give them your cleaning hack for washers. So, this is a new thing. I like this. It might not be on the What Would Matt Do, but he definitely did it. So.
Okay, so, we have a front loader at home, a couple front load sets, and our front loaders, just like just about everybody in the country and in the world, has a musky, mildewy scent. And really what that is that using too much detergent. And when you have multiple people using the washer, everybody thinks more is better. So to get rid of that, what I did was I took some baking soda, put it in the soap cup. I took some vinegar, put it in the soap cup. I let it kind of ferment over.
Let it bubble.
Close the drawer. I threw even more baking soda inside the machine. I threw even more vinegar inside. Now people are going to say, well, how much? Well, I put probably a good 3 or 4 good shakes inside the machine of baking soda, and I poured a healthy amount of vinegar in. And then I turned the machine to clean. Now, what else I did was I put a towel underneath the washer door, because what's going to happen is you're going to get fermenting of that, you're going to get bubbling, but you're also going to get excessive detergent it's going to end up leaking out the front door. So don't be alarmed. What that is when it oversuds, it goes through the boot seal, just lay that towel down so you don't damage your floor. It's not going to be a tremendous amount.
Yeah.
But if you weren't there, you would notice that there was definitely, some issues.
Yeah.
And then what I did once it was done, I took a paper towel with more vinegar and baking soda on it, pulled the soap cup out. I went inside and I actually got the roof of the soap cup where the water comes down. I got that all clean, and I will tell you, it has been fabulous. It's all natural.
Yeah.
There's no chemicals. It is really easy to do.
Yeah.
You don't need to go out and buy all different cleaning tabs, etc. But that is a great, great piece.
And folks, I'm sitting right next to him, and his laundry smells amazing. This shirt smells perfect. Let me tell you this. There's no mildew, there's no musty odor. So if you're sitting there right now sniffing your shirt, saying, "I might as well get the vinegar and baking soda."
Yeah, it's really easy to do. Okay, and I am a big proponent of front loaders over top loaders. The big thing is that you're continually getting that wash action. A front loader is continually tumbling and it's bringing water through the clothes. Some people don't like front loaders because of that musky smell, that mildew on the door.
I hear it a lot, yeah.
It's easy, though, to fix as long as you're cleaning the product properly.
And you touched on it, 30 seconds ago. The amount of soap you put in. I mean, I didn't realize that until I started here, and they said, "How much soap do you use?" I said, "Full cap." I use a full thing. So why do you use that much?
1 to 2 tablespoons.
1 to 2 tablespoons.
Yeah, more is not better,
Dryer sheets. How do you feel about dryer sheets?
Dryer sheets, the best thing for dryer sheets is to put them in a tub and clean your racks.
Clean your racks.
Clean the racks for your wall oven.
Don't use them in your dryer.
Absolutely not. Dryer sheets are some of the worst things you can put into a dryer. And the reason is that the lint filter will not catch much lint if you're continually using dryer sheets. It's going to put a sheen on that lint filter, and it's going to allow that lint to go out into the line, and it's going to cause a problem. And you really need to clean your lint filter after every few loads.
Yeah.
And if you're finding that you're not getting much lint on the lint filter, you're probably going to want to clean your exterior vent at least 1 to 2 times a year so that you don't have issues.
I know we got a YouTube video on that. Shameless plug, but you know what I mean. You can go to our YouTube channel and see that. So
that's not a shameleless plug. We've got great videos at DonsAppliances.com.
Give me one more. I'm going to ring the bell here. Give me a 30-inch range in air fry. Give me some air fry. Give me one in gas and one electric you like. You know
air
what I mean?
fry range, I would look at the GE air fry range.
Cool, right? Yeah.
And I would also look at the LG or Samsung air fry range.
Yeah. It's very hot right now. They love the convection. They love the air fry. They love the hot heat, okay? Question. $1 million question here. You know what I mean? If your washer breaks, bought it from us, where do you go, huh?
You go to DonsAppliances.com first, go to in stock,
Yeah.
See what's in stock, or go to one of our showrooms so that we can get you a new laundry piece next day. Thank you for watching, and be sure to go to DonsAppliances.com.